Introducing Writing Time. What do you like to eat? Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share your ideas. We can share our ideas with pictures, and we can share our ideas with words. What do you like to eat? I like to eat cherries and apples so red. I like to eat mangoes and bananas in bed. I like to eat peaches and pears so sweet. I like to eat oranges and grapes for a treat. I like to eat pineapples and kiwis so bright. I like to eat raspberries from morning till night. I like to eat plums and apricots every day. I like to eat fruit in every way. What else do you like to eat? Do you like pizza or cheesy bread? Do you like toast with butter spread? Do you like burgers or crispy fries? Do you like tacos of any size? Do you like pancakes with syrup so sweet? Do you like waffles for a yummy treat? Do you like popcorn or crunchy chips? Do you like pretzels covered in dip? Do you like cookies and ice cream too? Do you like cupcakes with frosting for you? Do you like milkshakes and smoothies so cold? Do you like snacks that are tasty and bold? Now it's your turn to draw. It's your turn to write. It's your turn to share what foods bring you delight. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.